Oh, wonderful.
All right, Al.
Good on you, mate.
Thanks for that.
Bye-bye.
Bye. It's 10 to 5.
I want to be entertained. It's magnificent.
We guarantee you don't miss a thing.
They just sound better. It's great.
2UE 954. Your business needs goods and services supplied every month. But what do you do when your cash flow is low? The answer is United Trade Card. With United Trade Card, you'll find new cash flows for your business with brand new retail and loyalty card cash-paying customers, as well as new trade partners. That's right, finally a trade network that brings in both cash and trade business to you. I'll say it again, unitedtradecard.com. You don't just get trade revenue, you get cash revenue too. It's brilliant and it works. Call them to find out more. Call United Trade Card today and save even more. $249 off the joining fee. Call 800 33924. That's 800 33924 or unitedtradecard.com.
G'day, this is the Two Murrays. You're not going to believe it.